Hey guys, so today we are going to be baking with Brittany. So I have a baby, you bring your babies, bring your friends' babies, tell your friends to bring their babies, and let's get baking. So today we are going to be making, well, hashtag I'm gluten-free, so it's going to be gluten-free on this channel. Here's lovely Liam. So today we are going to be baking dessert first, and then we're going to be making dinner. So tonight we are going to be baking some banana cookies. Banana cookies, Liam, your favorite. For dinner, we are going to be making a stuffed zucchini, bell peppery, something another with some potatoes, just because I don't know what else to pair the bell pepper with. Chris isn't in fight camp. So, alright, first things first. Well, that'll be second. Chris made me a shake. I haven't put water in it yet, but I'm supposed to drink that. So guys, remind me to drink that. This candle does not smell anything like, not even close up. It doesn't even smell like campfire marshmallow. I bought it. I want to use it, but it stinks. Yeah. Or I don't like it. So I want to go try out that campfire donut from Bath and Body Works that I keep hearing about. First things first is you get 2 bananas and you squash them with a knife, fork, a squasher, a potato squasher, anything you have in hand. We are also going to be doing a 1/2 cup, or you can do a 1/3 cup of chocolate chips or raisins, cranberries, whatever you prefer. I am staying away from coffee and chocolate right now, so I am on day 3 of no caffeine and no chocolate, so that's pretty successful for me. And so I'm using these carob chips, so like for breastfeeding moms or for moms that just can't have any chocolate or staying away from caffeine while they're breastfeeding, or while they're growing the baby, if you're staying away from chocolate. Carob chips is a nice little change. Sometimes it fixes that sweet tooth of chocolate and you're not getting the caffeine from chocolate or caffeinated chocolates. I'm just like tearing them apart. I was gonna clear off this marble table over here and do everything behind it, but that is just so much work, especially how Liam has been acting today, so it's just a little weird. So if you guys can see, that's just some bananas. So we're gonna squish that up. So right here, guys, I already have measured out a 1/2 cup of quick oats right here, and then this is like a spoon of cinnamon, but it was a little bit under, and then this is a mix of a 1/2 cup of raisins and carob chips. So you can do a 1/3 cup of chips, chocolate chips, raisins, cranberries, and all, and then this is a 1/2 cup of rolled oats right here. So do you see the difference? See how much thinner everything is? To the edge of the bowl, and I'm just smashing it all in as much as I can. It's not perfect, and I'm still listening for Liam. I don't know if you guys can see that. Okay, the browner the banana, the sweeter it is. That's why some moms and grandmas ask you to wait till your bananas are browned or browning or a little like squishy and brown before you make banana bread. Prepare the bell peppers like we do, or how I'm trying tonight. I'm kind of curious, so tag me and Chris on Instagram if you guys do have an Instagram, and take a picture of the bell peppers, or these cookies too. That'd be cool. So these are gluten-free banana cookies. 1 onion, I'm gonna do 3 bell peppers and 1 large zucchini. I'm going to do like a couple garlic cloves, but they were not rancid, but I tried to open them, and I opened them, and then they basically like looked like this little brown spot in the banana. So the onion and the garlic, throw the turkey in it. Oh, by the way, pick your meat and then defrost it. My meat, I'm defrosting it in the bathtub right now, but I'll be back. I'm gonna go check on Liam. These, you don't have to do a full cup of one type of oats and then a half cup. I'm just trying it because I don't know, I enjoy baking. I like it, so, and I think it looks kind of cool. I want to see how I clean like sorry ass pans. Let me know, because this, believe it or not, was brand new like not too long ago, and it's actually a good pan, so I can sparkle that thing up. It's better to eat this than ice cream or acai, but alright, so this is how it's gonna look. So make sure you wash your hands. Okay, so wash your hands, and then you decide on how big you want these oatmeal cookies to be. And I'm just gonna fill the pan, kind of like how I did the meatballs. And they don't really have much form to them, because all it is banana and oatmeal. And so you just kind of pat it and pack it like however you want. Hopefully it sticks. But you have to kind of form it. So look, I did a little kiss on the top. So that'll work. Hopefully it'll just stay. If it doesn't stay, just place it on the foil or whatever you're using, your sheet. And then kind of just form it on the sheet, because I don't think that they're really going to move much once they're ready and baked. One thing you can do though is preheat your oven to 350. I got banana guts all over my rings. Now, after feeding a baby some oatmeal, you wash your hands again. We're gonna get ready for dinner. So, first things first, dice up an onion, dice up a full zucchini, and get your garlic. And I will be right back. Let's look at his face. Okay. He licked this thing. Now he wants more of it. Okay, honey. Here, have some oatmeal. Alright, so one oatmeal bar is gonna be, one cookie bar is gonna be his. But it's organic rolled oats, quick oats, organic raisins, and curb chips, but he's not having the raisins and curb chips. I just want you guys to know, because babies can still choke on raisins, so I'm not giving him that. So it is a mix with turkey and ground beef. Down to 11 minutes. Cheers. The kitchen is so hot right now. Oh my goodness. So we are going to chill together and wait for Chris to come home. Probably finish the potatoes when he gets home. So, alright, over and out.